Describing animals. Start, Santosh.
This is a giraffe. It has a long neck. It is tall.
Very good.
It is a monkey. It lives in trees. It is short.
Very good.
This is an elephant. It is a trunk.
It has a trunk.
It has a trunk. This is big.
It is big.
It is big.
Hmm.
This is a rabbit. It is fast. It is small.
Very good.
This is a cheetah. It runs fast.
Super.
This is a snail. It is slow.
Very good. Super.